Ooh, it's chilly out here. Alright guys, so I'm ready to start my day. I'm gonna do my workouts. And in today's video, I want to show you the process that I go through to record my YouTube videos. And it's gonna be my technical process, the cameras and the lights and all that, and also my mental process, the things that I do to prepare myself to speak in front of the camera. So the process is very simple, guys, but it also can be very complicated. It can be complicated if I don't prepare myself. If I do my homework and prepare before I start recording, then it becomes simple. Here's the thing, English is not my first language, it's my second language, so I had to prepare and make sure that what I have on my script makes sense. Whatever I wrote on the script, I usually double check or triple check just to make sure that it makes sense on the English language. And sometimes I ask my friends, hey, does this make sense? Even though I check and ask my friends about it, sometimes I still say things wrong or like mispronunciate some words. At least 20% of the time I mispronounce the word, so I had to make sure that I do my best, and even though I mispronounce the word, you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? So these are the three things that I do, that I make sure I do before I record a YouTube video. Number one is I write a script just to make sure that the things that I am saying are accurate. The last thing that I want to do is to give you information that is not reliable or information that is not true. And even if I am not sure of the information, I will let you know. Second thing that I do is to make sure that I have all the equipment that I need for that video. Camera, lenses, lights, microphones, etc, etc. Last one, guys, is get energized and make sure that I'm mentally prepared, like focused to record the video, so I don't make too many mistakes and I don't have to record too many times. Being in front of the camera is not as easy as might seem, and it's not that I get nervous. Well, I do get nervous, at least a little bit. It's mostly the vulnerability part. A lot of people can relate to that, being vulnerable in front of the camera when like hundreds of people are gonna watch the video and see you vulnerable. And there's something that Gary Vee said, he's like, you need to connect with people. And I have really good friends that are very successful in social media and on YouTube, and they have told me that you had to showcase some level of vulnerability so people can connect with you. Even Gary Vee says that, like, you have to tell your story, and that means to tell your story, it also means to be vulnerable. Obviously there are boundaries, right? There are boundaries that you need to establish. Gary Vee also said, like, I am the most public private person in the media. I think there are gonna be things that you're gonna learn along the way, and a lot of mistakes that you're gonna do along the way, and it's okay. We all make mistakes, so I think I'm gonna keep working on that. And something very important that one of my mentors told me is that I have to stay unique to my story and to my process, because that's what's gonna differentiate me from the other video content creators in my niche, because there's some amazing video content creators out there in social media and YouTube, and I need to tell my own version of my story to be able to connect and relate to other people, you know. And I know that YouTube is saturated, you know, and a lot of people tells me that, oh, YouTube is saturated, you need to do a lot of work, it's gonna take you a long time to achieve what you want to achieve, and that's okay, you know. I don't care. I'm willing to do the job. I'm willing to do the hustle, because if there's something that I've learned from storytelling is that there is always someone, there's always somebody that is willing to listen to your story, even if it's the same information as other YouTubers, as other people out there. Just tell it the way that you will tell it. Find ways that is your unique touch, your own art, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be people out there that are willing to listen to you. Someone wiser than me once told me that the road to success is a bumpy road. It has a lot of ups and downs, and sometimes when you're going down, and it's gonna suck, you know. But what's gonna keep you on track and what's gonna make you succeed is your discipline and motivation to keep going up to reach summit. So yes, there's still a lot that I need to learn, and I'm pretty sure you can relate to this, that there's still a lot that you have to learn. But let's give ourselves a little bit of grace, right? And as long as we're doing what we had to do, we will reach our goal, you know. Sooner or later, we will get there. Alright guys, so I want to share with you my goal for this year. My goal is to reach 100k subscribers, you know. And if you have a goal, I encourage you to say it out loud. Scream it to the universe. Let it know that you are ready. You're coming. You just, let's go, baby. We can do this. Hey guys, so that's all I have for today. I just wanted to show you the process that I have when I'm gonna record my videos. And more than the technical aspect, you know, it's more of the mental aspect, the concentration, the focus aspect that I go through to record my videos, because there are things I had to work on. Like I said, English is not my first language, it's my second language, so I always had to be very conscious of the things that I say to make sure you guys understand it. So thank you guys for watching. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.